Meaning of flea market.
Flea market.
Flea market.
Flea market.
Flea market. A flea market is a type of outdoor market where vendors gather to sell second-hand or used goods, antiques, collectibles, and other miscellaneous items. These markets are often held on weekends and holidays, and can be found in various locations such as parks, parking lots, and open fields. Flea markets provide a unique shopping experience, allowing buyers to find rare and unusual items at bargain prices, while giving sellers a platform to earn some extra income by selling their unwanted items.